left is back brake. So we have a portion to downhill later. Hold the brake boot much better. Boot when you go down. And this is a gas or accelerator. Press, not like a motorcycle like this. Press if you go. If you're going uphill later, continue the gas but slowly. Don't press like this, okay? It's up to you to make it speed. When you go down, release the gas, hold the brake boot, okay? Don't forget the brake, that is very, very important. Both go down. And gear, front is forward, neutral in the middle, and reverse at the back.
Ano daw yun?
Reverse is necessary, but she is always forward later, automatic.
Neutral drive.
Careful, this one is hot, the pipe, and this one, the engine, hot also. Be careful. So if you cannot drive, tell me if you want to need someone assistant. Kapag alanganin ho tayo, magsabi kayo para malalayan ho kayo ng guide. Okay? So, question ma'am? Okay? Okay. How about you, sir? Okay. Pre! Dito kami ni Pre. Yung mansatsu lang.
Let them go first. Silang dalawa.
Mas Satsu.
Ay, kaya nilang dalawa yung balas.
Driver!
Mas mahirap. May hihirapan ako, Mari.